Coach Black, defensive coordinator. Okay. First, Coach Zach, you give them some thoughts about the game. You coach, you can do it in Spanish if you want.
Okay.
And then we are gonna start the turn of questions.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, no, it was a hard-fought game. Obviously, went down right to the end. Cologne's got a great team, great offensive unit out there. They were making plays the whole day, making it tough on our defense and our offense to make plays and put points on the board. But in the end, happy we were able to come through and get the win. Shout out to the defense for holding it down when it mattered, and happy with 3-0.
Coach.
Bien, bueno, como dice Zach, pues fue un juego duro. La verdad es que hoy enfrentamos un muy buen equipo, ofensivamente y defensivamente. Yo creo que hicieron un gran planteamiento y pues me imagino que como público pues fue un gran juego para todos, un buen espectáculo. Naturalmente uno como coach pues quisiera que todo fuera 0 puntos y 50 puntos de este lado, pero hoy enfrentamos un muy buen equipo y pues bueno, al final es lo mismo ganar por 1 que por 1000. Hay que disfrutar y hay que corregir, eso es lo más importante, que podamos vernos para poder corregir y poder seguir adelante. La temporada es muy larga.
Ok, comencem el torn de preguntes. Aneu-me demanant a mi, vale? I jo vaig donant. Ancho?
Coach, ya lo hablamos hace unas semanas. En este caso, he visto, por ejemplo, la reacción del coach Wedinberg, nada más salir al terreno de juego, a la afición solamente por el hecho de salir al terreno de juego. ¿Cómo hemos visto a esta afición de Dragons? Porque la ILF dice que es la mejor de la liga, pero el hecho de la cara del coach demuestra que por lo menos la afición...
Bueno, la verdad es que la afición me ha parecido muy bien. La verdad es que para ellos, que son los verdaderos protagonistas de este juego, pues es algo que se merecen. Ellos trabajan muy duro día a día y que ellos estén el día de juego y que la afición los apoye y que haya gente incondicionalmente gritando y apoyándolos, la verdad es que es algo muy, muy alentador y pues bueno, siempre lo que hago será tratar de devolverle a toda esa afición, a toda esa gente que se toma la molestia de estar aquí, pues brindarles un buen espectáculo.
Albert?
Hi Zach, you got 4 passing touchdowns, 1 receiving touchdown, and at the end you were all the game up in the score, and in the end the CGN Centurions had the chance to win the game in the last possession. Do you have any thoughts on that? Because you were like superior all the game, and at the last possession, CGN had the chance to win it.
Yeah, no, obviously we got to put the ball in the end zone, and every time we get down there, we got down, I think, inside the 30. We ended up missing the field goal, but offensively we gotta put points on the board for that to help our defense out when we can. We can't miss those opportunities, and that's just something that we gotta take advantage of, and which will help us stay out of these close games in the end.
And second question, please. You're putting big numbers on these 3 first games. How about the progress of the offensive line? Because last year it was a little weak. This year is much stronger than the last year.
Yeah, no, those guys are working their tails off, coming to practice every day, ready to get after it, and Coach Giuliano's doing some great things with those guys as well. So obviously it's helping me a ton, helping this team and this whole organization. So my hat goes off to those guys, and I'm very thankful of the work they're putting in every day. Thank you.
How many times have you practiced that receiving touchdown play?
We put it in this week. We got the right look. We were going to use it, and we got it where we wanted it to. And luckily, it worked out for me. Thank God I didn't drop it, but Kyle threw a great ball, and happy it worked out for us.
Okay, thanks.
Més preguntes? No? No? Albert? Vale.
I want to know how about your off season, because the last season ended up in August. This season started a month ago. What about your off season? What did you practice? Did you want to improve to get better to this year?
Yeah, so obviously having an off season, I went home back to Minnesota. I linked up with my trainer. He put me through a lot of stuff, core stability, making sure I'm just bigger, faster, stronger, just so I can absorb more hits, run the ball better. And accuracy was a huge thing I worked on passing the ball wise. I don't think you can ever be too accurate as a quarterback. So just doing everything I could to pretty much clean up whatever I can of my game. But mostly just bigger, faster, stronger, and came ready to go.
What about the difference of having Jean Constant last year and having Kyle Sweet this year? Do you see a lot of difference between both?
They're both fantastic ball players. Gene, obviously one of a kind of talent, doing his thing in Hamburg right now. So, but Kyle's obviously a sensational athlete. He's doing great things for us. Super happy to have him. He's killing it. So, hat goes off to both of those guys. So, no, really no difference. But happy to share both experiences with both.
And the last one, for the people who are supporting the Dragons this year, what would you say to them that Dragons have chances to make the playoff this year? You have to fight for the second position of the conference, the first position, the title. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I think we control our own destiny. I think we can do really anything we put our minds to. I think we have a great team, definitely capable of winning the ELF championship. So, to all Dragons fans out there, definitely that's our goal. That's what we work for every day at practice. Every day we come to the stadium. So we think we can take it all. Just gotta make sure we keep working hard and take it week in and week out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Para el coach Black, en este partido se enfrentaban el mejor ataque contra la mejor defensa. ¿Cómo ha planteado el partido?
Pues bueno, la verdad que ellos son una ofensiva muy explosiva. La verdad es que lo esperábamos de alguna manera, un partido fuerte, un partido duro. Obviamente siempre vas a plantear o va a ser un planteamiento pues a tratar de que no te anoten, pero teniendo ellos una ofensiva explosiva, pues fue un partido difícil. Finalmente, y lo más importante y lo que más destaco de la defensiva el día de hoy es que se mantuvo hasta el final. A pesar de que tuvimos jugadas largas, ese último drive pues pudimos definir. Realmente el drive lo habíamos definido en ese castigo que le marcan a Anthony Rodríguez, que ya era un down importante, una jugada antes que Lucas Macero no pudo llevarse la bola. Es decir, detallitos que tenemos que mejorar para ser más consistentes. Al final sabemos que vamos a enfrentar ofensivas muy explosivas y tenemos que estar listos para eso. Tenemos que estar listos, prepararnos, mejorar, ver video, eso es importantísimo, que veamos video. Nos quedan muchos juegos por delante. Afortunadamente contamos con talento, contamos con una ofensiva que mueve la bola y que mete puntos, y eso realmente también nos hace sentir un poquito más seguros en el campo.
Así? Okay. Let's come over.